Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending design of handmade crochet dresses ideas. Its very color combination are so cool and very amazing design. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful and popular ideas. So viewers, share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of most attractive and most trending designs of attractive color combination of handmade crochet dresses. I really hope that they will love these beautiful and popular ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of color combination and themes and designs. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs of handmade crochet dresses. These are very beautiful, very cool colors and attractive colors. So pick your favorite one and must make these beautiful design for yourself for more beautiful and outstanding glamorous look. Thank you viewers for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new design, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So viewer, now I am share with you the benefits of crochet dresses and these are very important to know that what is the crochet and the crochet dresses and crochet top benefits. So viewer, you can see it's a comfortable dresses. Crochet dresses are often made with soft breathable yarn, making them incredibly comfortable to wear. Flexibility. Crochet fabric is flexible and stretchy, allowing for a full range of motion. Versatility. Crochet dresses can be dressed up and down and are used suitable for various occasions from casual to formal events. Unique and handmade. Each crochet dress is handmade, making it a one of a kind piece with a personal touch. Sustainable. Crochet dresses can be made with eco-friendly yarn, reducing waste and supporting sustainable fashion. Customizable crochet dresses can be easily customized to fit individual body types and style preference. Timeless. Crochet dresses can be treasured for years as they often become family heirlooms or passed down pieces. Relaxing. To make crocheting a dress can be a calming and therapeutic activity, providing a creative outlet. Cost-effective. Crochet dresses can be made with affordable yarn, making them a budget-friendly Fashion options. Empowering. Creating your own crochet dress can be a fulfilling experience, giving you a sense of pride in your handmade garments. Overall, crochet dresses offer a combination of comfort, versatility, and sustainability, making them a great choice for those who value handmade, unique fashion pieces. So this is the benefit of crochet dresses. Now I am share with you the main question in your mind. What is the crochet? The crochet is a wonderful hobby that combines creativity, relaxation, and handiness. Crochet is a popular needle technique that involving using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's used to make a wide range of items from clothing and accessories to home decoration and toys. So Vibha, if you are interested to learning how to crochet, I can provide you some basic instructions and resources to get you started. Or if you are already an experienced crocheter, I would be happy and to help you with patterns, tips, and inspiration for your next project. What would you like to know about crochet? Share the review and share your experience. It's a very beautiful and amazing designs you can see. Crochet is a popular needlework technique that involving using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's a versatile craft that can be used to make a wide range of items such as clothing, hats, scarves, sweaters, dresses, tops, blouses, in accessories, table cover, blankets, pillow covers, coasters, table runner, bed sheets, and tissue box covers and washroom amazing collection cloths, home decoration, and now kids toys, stuffed animal and dolls, granny squares, afghans, throws. Crochet has many benefits including relaxation and stress relief, crochet expression and self-expression, creativity expression and self-expression, portability, easy to take with you on the go, customization, choose your own yarn and color and pattern, cost effective, make your own item instead of buying them. Some common crochet stitches include chain stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, treble crochet. If you are interested in learning how to crochet, I am also available and other websites are also available for your help. So start your work and show your work with us. We can also help you. So Weaver, you know very well it's a wonderful hobby. It's a great way to create something with your own hands, relax and express your creativity. Here are some fun facts about crochet. Crochet is a French word meaning hook. Its meaning is hook. The first known evidence of crochet dates back to 1824 in South America, and crochet was originally used to make clothing, accessories, and home decor items. The most common crochet hook materials are aluminium, steel, and wood. Crochet has many health benefits including reducing stress, improving fine motor skills, and promoting relaxation. The world's largest crochet hook was over 6 feet tall and 2 inches wide. Crochet is a popular hobby worldwide and millions people are love these. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, there's always something new and something new to learn and create. It's a breathable and comfortable wear, lightweight and perfect for summer weather and other weathers. Can be dressed up and down, unique and handmade articles, and it's machine washable article. So Weaver, if you all are understand, so text me and comment me if you want me more type of crochet articles. So comment, I can provide you your types. What would you love? So it's a reusable crochet dresses can be used multiple items multiple times, making them a practical choose for daily shopping and travel dresses. So it's a eco-friendly and very comfortable and easy to wear. Adjust to your body type. Soft and gentle on items, crochet dresses are often made with soft yarn, making them gentle for your belongings. Most crochet dresses are machine washable, making maintenance easy. So I hope you all are understand with the instruction and benefits of crochet dresses and details of crochet dresses. So we were if you all love these article and if you want more design and more ideas of crochet dresses, crochet articles, so watch my video and like, share and subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Weaver, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me. See you soon. Bye bye.